are going to discuss about Git, and here we are going to create a project, and we will place some files in the project, and we will push the data and pull the data uh, to the GitHub by using Git commands, and the entire process is going to be discussed only with command line operations. Is it clear? Okay. For that, we need to have a repository in a GitHub. So I'm going to create a repository named as Git demo. Okay, and I'm going to make it as public, and I'm going to click a repository. That is the first step. In the second step, I'm going to create a directory name as git demo. Okay, and next step, third step, I need to initialize git in that specific directory. So currently I am in my user, so I need to change into documents. In that I need to go for a directory called git demo. Okay, and here what I need to do, I need to initialize this directory to GitHub. So I need to write a command called git int. Now this directory has created a files, you can see in -a with git. Now this directory is going to call as a git directory. Next step, what I am doing to is simply I am adding some sample file, any random sample file into this directory. Is it clear? To make it work, I need to add these files to my Git repository. So I need to write git add -- all. Now what happened? This file is added to my repository. Again repeating, without adding the files into the repository, your remote push may generate an error. So that is the reason we need to add the files. Then we need to have a commit statement. So git commit -message first update. What happened? Now the file is being added. Now locally your repository is updated. As it is public repository, you don't need to use these commands. Where if it is private repository, you need to use these commands to access the private content. So it is public content, I don't need anything. So simply I am going to call this command adding the repository, and simply I am going to push the things. Okay, if you see these files, you will find that file pushed into the server. Is it clear? That's what I want to show you here. Now I terminated from my command prompt, and if you want to pull the things again, I want to pull for that. Okay. For pulling the things, I am going to create one more directory like git pull. Okay, what I need to have. So again, currently I am checking where I am lying in my user location. So I am going to join to documents, and again I am going to go for git pull, and to make it initialize, I need to write git in id. Now it is empty. Now I need to pull the thing. For pulling the thing, what I need to have, from where I need to pull? I need to pull it from this remote URL. So I am going to add this remote URL. And what I need to do, I need to pull. Instead of push, what I need to change? I need to change to pull. Okay, I am pulling from my origin. Origin is a keyword and master is a branch. See what happened? I pull the data. This is what I want to convey. Thank you.